Okay, so now we have part 2 of the por and para series. So we have some extras that are related to por. So let's give it a try. So we learned por and para. So por, once again, means for, by, on behalf. It means the x, the multiplication sign. And para means for or in order to. Okay, let's try the examples. Okay, so we have more examples with por. Por is used when talking about parts of the day. For example, desayuno todos los días por la mañana. So, por la mañana. I have breakfast every day in the morning. Por la mañana. So in this case, por la mañana means in the morning. In the morning, yeah. Desayuno todos los días por la mañana. You can also say en la mañana. Desayuno todos los días. But if you use desayuno todos los días en la mañana, it doesn't work. You kind of have to say por la mañana. Por la mañana. If you're doing it today, only one time today, you would say desayuné en la mañana. I had breakfast in the morning. But if you want to do it every single time, for example, here we have todos los días, every day. You would not say desayuno todos los días en la mañana. You would say por la mañana if you're going to do it through a long period of time. Por la mañana. But if you get rid of todos los días, then you can say desayuno en la mañana. I had breakfast in the morning. Okay, next one. The next one. Desayuné en la mañana, I had breakfast. Desayuno en la mañana, I have breakfast in the morning. I have breakfast in the morning. Okay, just clarifying that small thing. Okay, the next example. ¿Podemos salir mañana por la noche? Can we go out tomorrow night? ¿Podemos salir mañana por la noche? So, yeah, you can say por la noche, and in this case, you can also say en la noche. ¿Podemos salir mañana en la noche? In that case, it's also valid. Can we go out tomorrow at night? So basically, if you say en la noche, can we go out tomorrow at night? But if you say por la noche, it would mean can we go out tomorrow por la noche, tomorrow night. So that's kind of like a small difference. The meaning is basically the same, the word is just different. So tomorrow at night and tomorrow night. It's both understandable anyways. It has the same meaning. Next one. Por is used as a medium of doing something, or a medium of doing something. I think we should look at the examples. As a medium of doing something. For example, lo puedes enviar por email. Can you send it by email? So, por email. So you're sending something and it's referring to as a medium of doing something. So sending by email. ¿Lo puedes enviar por email? Can you send it by email? And another example, por being the medium of doing something, hice la tarea por computadora. I did the homework by computer. Hice la tarea por computadora. So this is how it works. Por, referring to a medium of doing something. Por computadora, by computer, by enviar por email, send by email. Okay, so I think it's understandable. Let's try another one. Por, to tell an approximate place. So this one relates to something approximate. And let's see. Mi casa está por el parque. My house is by the park. So it's relating to your house is approximate near the park. So it's related to approximation, approximate. Mi casa está por el parque. My house is by the park. And another example. Estoy por la tienda. I'm by the store. Once again, it's approximate, an approximate place. Estoy por la tienda. I'm by the store. I'm nearby the store. I'm by the store. Okay, so I think it's self-understandable. It's easy to understand. And another one. Por can be used for prices, to indicate prices. For example, te vendo mi teléfono por $100. I sell you my phone. I'll sell you my phone for $100. So por indicates the prices, for this amount of money, for relating to prices. One more time. Te vendo mi teléfono por $100. I'll sell you my phone for $100. Okay, another example. Te lo vendo. I'll sell it. Te lo vendo. So te lo vendo. Te, I sell it to you. Te lo vendo. I will sell it to you. Te lo vendo por 200 pesos. 200. I'll sell it to you for 200 pesos. Te lo vendo por 200 pesos. So, por, relating to the prices. And another example. Por is used to indicate substitution. What does that mean? Indicate substitution. For example, if you want to change something for something else, you want to substitute it, to change it. Cambia, change, $100 por 82 euros. Change $100 por 82 euros. Cambia $100 por 82 euros. Change 100 for 82 euros. So 82, I'm writing it by words. 82 euros by letters. Okay, so you're changing money for something else. You're substituting it. Next one. Cambia la camisa morada por la azul. Change the purple shirt for the blue one. Cambia la camisa morada por la azul. Change the purple shirt for the blue one. So, simple. And another one, it can be used to indicate proportional quantity. So, basically the English word for per. Per, for example, 100 kilometers per hour. 100 kilómetros por hora. So basically per. Proportional quantity. Per. And let's try it. Cuesta $20 por persona. So in this case, por becomes per. It costs $20 per person. Cuesta $20 por persona. Per person. So por, in this case, becomes per. And another one. Vamos a 60 millas por hora. We're going 60 miles per hour. Vamos a 60 millas por hora. So once again, por becomes per. 60 miles per hour. 60 millas por hora. Okay, another example. It can be combined with the infinitive verb form. Infinitive means the normal verb form, like to go, to play, to be, to have. And it is used with that verb, with that form of verb, to indicate an incomplete action. And we need the examples to understand what this means. For example, faltan 2 exámenes por hacer. So in this case, hacer is the infinitive form, which means to do. hacer. And por hacer would be it's left to do. So it's an incomplete action. It has not been completed yet. So left to do. For example, faltan 2 exámenes por hacer. There are 2 exams left to do. So it's still an incomplete action. And it's combined with the infinitive, which in this case it's hacer, por hacer, to do. And in this case, por hacer would be to do, but faltan refers to left, to be missing. To left to do. Faltan por hacer, left to do. And another one. Hay 4 órdenes por completar. There are 4 orders to complete. And in this case, the infinitive verb would be completar, to complete, por completar, to complete. There are 4 orders left to complete. Hay 4 órdenes por completar. There are 4 orders to complete. Or 4 orders left to complete. Okay, so that's it for this one. It's a confusing lesson. And my recommendation is to maybe watch movies, because people are going to use them a lot, so you will know when they're using it. And my other recommendation is to go back to this lesson in the future. So once you become better at Spanish, you can go back and you will be like, oh, I understand it better now. It's much more clear now. So as you get better, you can always come back to this lesson and it will become more clear. So that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. So now it's your turn to practice Spanish. You can find the lessons Quizlet by going into the lecture resources folder. Thanks for watching.